Patriots Day can refer to a couple of distinct things, each with its own viewing options. As a project management expert, I understand the importance of clarity and breaking down complex topics into digestible information. So, let's untangle the common questions surrounding Patriots Day and where you can find content related to it. Broadly, Patriots Day can refer to the actual holiday Patriots Day, observed in Massachusetts, Maine, and Wisconsin in the U.S. This day commemorates the battles of Lexington and Concord, which marked the start of the American Revolutionary War. Crucially, it's also the day the Boston Marathon is traditionally held. The 2016 movie titled Patriots Day, which dramatizes the events surrounding the 2013 Boston Marathon bombing. Let's explore the viewing options for both. 1. Watching the Boston Marathon on Patriots Day. For many, Patriots Day is synonymous with the Boston Marathon, one of the world's most iconic road races. If you're looking to watch the live event, you'll need to know which broadcasting networks and streaming apps have the rights. For viewers in the United States, local coverage, Boston area. For those located in the Boston area and parts of New England, WCVB Channel 5, ABC affiliate, typically provides extensive live coverage of the Boston Marathon. This coverage often starts very early in the morning and continues throughout the day. Local streaming app. WCVB often simulcasts its coverage on the very local app. This app is a great option for Boston area residents who want to stream the race on their smartphones, tablets, or smart TVs. You'll need to search for Very Local in your device's app store to download it. National coverage. For viewers across the United States, ESPN2 usually provides live national coverage of the Boston Marathon during key hours of the race, typically from mid-morning to early afternoon ET. National streaming app. If you have a subscription to ESPN+, you can often stream the Boston Marathon live there. ESPN Plus is ESPN's dedicated streaming service and often carries events broadcast on ESPN's linear channels. Other ESPN platforms. Beyond ESPN2 and ESPN Plus, you might find pre-race and post-race coverage, highlights, or analysis on other ESPN shows and platforms like SportsCenter, Olympic Channel, and Olympics.com. Sometimes, the Olympic Channel or Olympics.com, depending on regional restrictions, also offers live streaming or highlights of major marathons like Boston. It's worth checking their schedules closer to the event date. Flow Sports. In some cases, specialized sports streaming services like Flow Sports might also carry the Boston Marathon, particularly for international audiences or specific segments of the race. For international viewers, broadcast rights for major events like the Boston Marathon are often country-specific. International audiences should check local sports networks. Consult your country's major sports broadcasting networks or channels. Many international broadcasters acquire rights to major U.S. sporting events. Visit the Boston Athletic Association, BAA, website. The official Boston Marathon organizer, the BAA, www.baa.org, usually provides a comprehensive list of international broadcasters and streaming options on their website closer to race day. This is your most reliable source for up-to-date international viewing information. Project management takeaway for event viewing. Watching live events, much like managing a live project, requires understanding the dependencies, broadcast rights, geographical restrictions, and having a clear communication plan, checking official sources like the BAA website or local network schedules. Don't assume one app or channel covers everything. Always verify. 2. Watching the movie Patriots Day, 2016. The movie Patriots Day, starring Mark Wahlberg, is a dramatic retelling of the 2013 Boston Marathon bombing and the subsequent manhunt. This is a cinematic release, and its availability on streaming platforms will depend on licensing agreements that can change over time. As of my last update, and based on common streaming patterns for major films, you can typically find Patriots Day on various platforms through subscription streaming services. Paramount Plus. Since the film was distributed by CBS Films, a division of Paramount, Paramount Plus is often a primary streaming home for Patriots Day. You might find it available with a standard subscription or a premium tier that includes Showtime content. Max, formerly HBO Max occasionally, films like Patriots Day might also be available on Max due to specific licensing deals, particularly if HBO had a pay TV window for the film. Fubo TV. This is a live TV streaming service that often includes a wide range of movies as part of its on-demand library. Netflix. While not a consistent home, Patriots Day has appeared on Netflix in some regions due to temporary licensing agreements. Availability can vary by country. Video on demand, VOD, purchases/rentals. Amazon Prime Video. You can almost always rent or purchase Patriots Day on Amazon Prime Video. Apple TV, iTunes. Similarly, Apple TV offers the movie for rent or purchase. Google Play Movies and TV. Available for rent or purchase. Microsoft Store. Another common platform for buying or renting digital movies. Fandango at Home. Vudu, a popular digital movie retailer where you can rent or buy the film. YouTube Movies. You can rent or buy Patriots Day directly through YouTube. Plex. While primarily a media server, Plex also has a VOD offering where you can rent or buy films.